Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best natural gas grills that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Weber 67010001 E410 Genesis 2 gas grill. This grilling system is one of the best performing gas grill that you can find in the market. It is made with porcelain enameled flavorizer bars and also stainless steel burners. Infinity ignition makes sure that when you turn the knob, the gas will easily ignite and every burner in the system will start with an ease. It has a cooking space of 646 square inches and it is also furnished with storage hooks that you can easily hang your barbecue tools. When it is fully assembled, it has a height of 61 inches. Get this gas grill and you will have an easy time when cooking your food. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Weber Summit 7270001 S470 natural gas grill. The Weber Summit gas grill is made with cast aluminum and this makes it efficient and durable. It also requires little maintenance and also cares. It can bear with the heat that is required to grill at any temperature. On top of that, if combined with shroud, it will enable proper heat circulation on the food. The sear burner is designed to increase the heat depending on what is required for searing. The system features 6 tool hooks that you can use them to hang your grilling tools. It also comes with a 5-year limited warranty. At number 3, we have the Weber 49010001 E310 Spirit 2 gas grill. As your friends or family sit for a dinner, this 3-burner grill is perfect for you in your grilling experience. It has a spacious cooking area that you are able to sear steaks on one particular side while the other one you are grilling an appetizer. The rack will keep the food warm. It comes with 4 stylish lid hues, striking sapphire to the classic black. The fuel gauge is easy to read and it's situated close to the gas tank in order for you to see the fuel that is left on your tank. The infinity ignition is assured to ignite each time. The system is usually backed with a 10-year warranty. At number 2, we have the Weber 65010001 E210 Genesis 2 gas grill. This gas grill will enable you to even cook the more creative dish. The cooking grate on the side is thin and this makes it perfect for you to cook delicate food, for example, shrimp and fish. The wider side will help you to avoid the food. If a feature hooks that you can use to hang grilling tools, making your backyard organized. The sleek open cart design will give you extra room for your grilling tools. There are also side tables that you can keep the tools and platters for arm's reach. It also has a tuck-away warming rack that will keep the food warm. And finally, at number 1, we have the Broil King 921557 Baron S320 gas grill. This gas grill is created with a long-lasting cast iron that will give brilliant searing power to lock in flavor and juices and also excellent warmth retention. This system will give even warmth distribution to the whole surface of the grill and it will always protect the burners. The drippings that usually fall on the Flav wave will be rapidly vaporized. It is furnished with flow valves that have control knobs that can be turned up to 180, and it will enable you set the grill on the right temperature whenever you are roasting, searing or cooking slowly. The system is made with steel side shelves that are durable and it can be folded to ensure convenient storage. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.